The United States, the world's leading economic powerhouse, boasts cutting-edge industries, particularly in agriculture and livestock. In Iowa, where advanced technology and science are applied at their peak, the livestock industry has created a remarkable breakthrough for the region. Millions of pigs are raised through meticulous, science-driven processes ensuring absolute safety for consumers. Are you curious about the name of Iowa's largest farm? Drop comment number 1 below this video to join us in uncovering this fascinating secret. If you live nearby, you might not have heard of Prestige Foods Farm, a giant in the pork industry committed to delivering top-quality products with special care for animal welfare. This farm pours its heart into raising livestock to ensure safety and deliciousness for every meal. So have you ever tried Prestige Foods products? If you have, share your thoughts in the comments below. In Iowa, a single pig farm can raise millions of pigs, a staggering figure that showcases its superiority over traditional farming. Modern farms here use hybrid pig breeds imported from Denmark, known for their exceptional productivity. High lean meat ratio, excellent disease resistance, and perfect adaptation to the humid, temperate climate. But what drives the explosive demand for pork has long been an indispensable staple in the diets of Americans and countless other countries. Next, we can't overlook the state-of-the-art barns designed for optimal efficiency, sturdy aluminum partitions, interwoven with smart ventilation openings, ensure a spacious, airy environment, preventing disease spread and enabling easy cleaning. The barn floors are ingeniously constructed with interwoven slats, allowing urine and manure to drain quickly, creating a clean environment for the pigs. The advanced automated feeding system, equipped with remote sensors, offers unmatched convenience. Farmers can monitor and deliver precise feed amounts without being physically present. This technology ensures the pigs are fed on time and eliminates food waste entirely. Discover the unique water pipe system positioned above the pigs, a smart automatic watering solution. When a pig nudges the pipe, water flows instantly, and when it moves away, the water stops immediately. What do you think of this advanced livestock technology? Is it truly effective and impressive? If it's there, comment the number 2 below. If not, comment the number 5. Selecting sows is a critical step directly determining the quality and productivity of piglets. In Iowa, farmers apply a rigorous sow selection process to ensure healthy, disease-resistant litters. Each sow must meet the standard of producing 10 to 12 piglets per litter and have at least 2 successful farrowings. Therefore, prioritizing sows with strong legs and hooves, agile movement, and no physical defects is vital at this stage. During this stage, farmers skillfully separate sows from the adult herd to meet their unique nutritional needs, prevent disease transmission, and easily monitor the health of both sows and piglets. Have you ever wondered why pregnant and soon-to-deliver sows need to be housed in separate pens? With their massive bodies weighing 200 to 250 lbs, sows become heavier than ever. Separating them not only reduces stress, but also ensures absolute safety for the piglets when they're born. Grinding feed for sows is a crucial step, ensuring easy digestion and sufficient nutrition throughout the nursing period. The feed is finely ground into small particles, allowing sows to absorb nutrients more efficiently, digest smoothly, and avoid the risk of intestinal blockages. This process not only boosts their health, but also provides maximum comfort, enabling sows to care for their litters fully. Leading livestock experts recommend that the ideal time to wean piglets from their mothers and transition them to pellet feed is between 21 and 28 days of age, when their digestive systems are ready to handle solid feed. Newborn piglets are extremely fragile and need to be kept warm to develop healthily. Infrared heating, with its deep warming capability, not only provides a cozy, comfortable environment, but also stimulates the immune system, helping piglets build stronger resistance to diseases. When pigs reach maturity, farmers meticulously check their health and administer full vaccinations to prevent African swine fever. This measure not only protects the herd's health, but also ensures pork safety for consumers. If your family is raising pigs or any other livestock, follow the experts' advice. Vaccinate regularly to shield them from dangerous diseases. After completing health checks, farmers move the herd to the processing area where high-quality products are created to meet consumer demands. Have you ever noticed the striking green stripes on the backs of pigs? Those are distinctive markers indicating pigs that have passed health inspections and are ready for the processing stage. The 40-foot container truck, the hero of pig transport in Iowa, boasts impressive dimensions: 40 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 8 feet 6 inches tall, capable of carrying 200 to 250 pigs per trip. What's special? It's equipped with a modern air conditioning system, keeping the pigs cool and comfortable throughout the journey, ensuring the meat stays fresh and unaffected. The pork processing at the factory kicks off impressively after stunning and thorough cleaning. Each pig carcass is skillfully divided into 4 quarters, hung on racks, and sent straight to the cold room for storage. Each carcass is tagged with a unique code, making production management and tracking seamless. The cold room is maintained at 32 °C, the ideal temperature to ensure the pork remains fresh and of top-notch quality throughout the entire process. After perfect preservation, processors begin separating each cut of meat, meticulously measuring weights with high precision. Each cut is then individually packaged, varying in value and weight, to meet diverse consumer needs. This process ensures the final pork products not only achieve top-tier quality, but also flexibly meet the market's stringent standards. The sausage production process begins with selecting fresh, high-quality pork rigorously inspected to ensure absolute safety and quality. The meat is then finely ground in high-capacity grinding machines, creating a uniform, perfect mixture. Next, spices like salt, sugar, natural flavorings, and colorants are added, blending to produce a rich, savory taste. The secret lies in each manufacturer's unique recipe, giving every sausage its distinctive signature. Finally, the meat and spice mixture is fed into a mixing machine, perfectly combined and ready to delight every diner. Thank you for joining us in this video. Are you facing any challenges in livestock farming? Don't hesitate to leave a comment or question. We're always here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends to stay updated on exciting content. Goodbye, and see you next time. Hello, friends. Do you believe that cashmere goats in Mongolia can produce up to 15 million tons of wool and 20 million tons of milk each year? What makes their wool and milk production so miraculous? Comment number 1 to join us in uncovering the mysteries behind goat farms and food processing plants in this documentary. Cashmere goats, with their exceptional qualities, have been celebrated for centuries. These remarkable animals are primarily raised in the high plateaus of Asia, particularly in China, Mongolia, and Afghanistan, where the harsh climate contributes to their prized fleece. Currently, there are about 12 different breeds of cashmere goats globally, each adapted to its local environment. Renowned for producing ultra-soft, lightweight, and insulating fibers, cashmere goats yield over 15 million tons of wool, annually meeting the demands of high-end fashion houses and luxury markets worldwide. Experts praise cashmere wool for its exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio, making it a top choice for premium fabrics. Beyond wool, these goats also contribute to global agriculture by providing up to 20 million tons of nutrient-rich milk and playing a vital role in the meat industry. Cashmere goats have a distinct breeding season, typically occurring in late fall when shorter daylight hours naturally trigger reproduction. This timing ensures that kids are born in spring, when conditions are most favorable for their growth and survival. Females, or does, have a gestation period lasting about 145 to 155 days. Each pregnancy can produce 1 to 4 kids, though twins are the most common. Just like on a pig farm, once goat kids are born, farmers prioritize keeping them warm and safe. Newborn kids are typically placed in clean, dry pens to shield them from harsh weather. They are encouraged to nurse from their mothers within the first few hours to receive colostrum, essential for boosting their immune systems and ensuring a healthy start. Want to explore a goat farm? If so, leave a comment with the number 2. If not, leave a 5. Unlike pig farms, the diet of cashmere goats is carefully managed to ensure optimal health and wool production. Their primary food sources include natural grass hay and tree leaves. To meet nutritional needs, farmers supplement with grains bran and protein-rich feeds like soybeans or sunflower seeds. Feed quantities are adjusted based on the goat's life stage and activity level. Adult goats typically require about 3 to 5% of their body weight in dry matter daily. This balance maintains their health while supporting the growth of their luxurious fleece. Modern machinery plays a crucial role in simplifying the feeding process. Automated hay balers and grain dispensers ensure consistent portions, while automatic mixers blend nutrients evenly for optimal feed quality. Mobile feed dispensers also enable efficient distribution for large herds. Grazing is a vital component of cashmere goat care, providing essential nutrients for optimal health and wool production. Typically, cashmere goats require about 2 to 3 acres of grazing land per goat, though this varies based on pasture quality and climate. Farmers often use rotational grazing, moving goats between different grazing areas to allow the land to recover and prevent overgrazing. This method ensures goats have access to nutrient-rich pastures throughout the grazing season, which is particularly crucial for wool development. In regions with harsh winters, farmers supplement grazing with hay grains and other feeds to maintain nutritional balance. Mongolian farmers employ a traditional yet highly effective method for harvesting cashmere goat wool, renowned for its precision and care. Each spring during the molting season, Mongolian herders hand-comb the goats to collect the fine undercoat or cashmere without damaging the outer coat. This process, typically done by hand, uses specialized combs or tools to gently remove the soft underfibers while preserving the longer outer hairs. After harvesting, cashmere goat wool is sent to mills for processing. The first step is washing the raw wool to remove dirt oils and impurities using a gentle water-based method to preserve the fiber's softness. After washing, the wool is dried, and the fine cashmere fibers are separated from the coarser outer hairs through a dehairing process, ensuring only the softest fibers are used. Next, the fibers are carded to align them into a smooth, uniform material. The fibers are then spun into yarn, dyed, and woven into fabric. The entire process is carefully controlled to maintain the exceptional quality and warmth that cashmere is known for. Customers often praise the softness, warmth, and luxurious feel of cashmere fabric. Many highlight that cashmere provides superior comfort without being heavy or bulky, making it ideal for year-round wear. Cashmere garments, such as sweaters and scarves, are also highly valued for their versatility. Buyers appreciate wearing them for both casual and formal occasions due to their stylish appearance and cozy feel. However, some reviews mention the higher price of cashmere compared to other fabrics, which reflects its premium quality and labor-intensive production process. Female cashmere goats begin producing milk immediately after giving birth, with their lactation period typically lasting 6 to 8 months, peaking in the first few weeks postpartum. On farms, milk collection is often done using modern, efficient systems. Many farms employ automated milking machines designed to gently and effectively extract milk. These systems use soft suction tubes attached to the goat's udder, providing a comfortable experience for the animal while ensuring hygienic milk collection. Some smaller or more traditional farms may still milk goats by hand, though automated systems are increasingly common due to their efficiency. The process of turning milk into cheese in factories is a carefully controlled procedure, typically taking about 150 minutes, or roughly 2.5 hours. It begins with pasteurization, where the milk is heated to eliminate harmful bacteria, usually taking around 30 minutes. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled and mixed with beneficial bacteria to sour it. Rennet is then added to coagulate the milk, separating it into curds and whey. The curds are cut and stirred, releasing more whey and creating a firmer texture. The curds are then cooked and drained, a process typically lasting 60 to 90 minutes, depending on the type of cheese being produced. Finally, the curds are pressed to remove excess whey, and the cheese is salted before being aged if required. The entire process from milk to cheese formation is usually completed in about 150 minutes, though aging the cheese can take much longer. The process of processing goat meat in a factory begins with humane handling to minimize stress. The carcass is then chilled to prevent bacterial growth, and internal organs are removed. The body is divided into cuts such as shoulder ribs and legs, then further processed, trimmed, and packaged. The meat undergoes quality and safety inspections before being stored at controlled temperatures. Similarly, pork processing on pig farms follows strict standards to ensure efficient and safe meat handling. Goat meat is a nutritious, low-fat option, providing about 122 calories and 23 g of protein per 3 oz serving. It has less fat than beef or pork, with only 2.6 g of fat, making it a healthier choice. It also delivers essential nutrients like 2.4 millimeters of iron, 4.5 millimoles of zinc, and 0.4 ug of vitamin B12 per serving. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor absorbs spices and marinades well. Goat meat is versatile, ideal for dishes like stews, curries, and grilling, becoming tender and flavorful when slow-cooked, similar to pork, from renowned pig farms. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please support our channel with a like and subscribe. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.